can make our clubhouse so private, even we can't get in.
Great idea. How do we do that?
Well, first we... Forget it. I thought I was on to something. Hey, you know what?
What?
Making a clubhouse without friends to be in the club is no fun.
Hey, look!
La 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 la. Yeah, we need our friends. Probably Flick and Pinch and Munchie aren't having any fun playing all by themselves either.
Yeah, let's go get our friends so we can have a real clubhouse. All right! Woohoo!
It looks like they're all building something together! How boring! Let's get closer and see how boring!
I always knew we were a great team. We're almost ready for the grand opening.
Wait, I got to get some ribbon. Aw, Pinch, we don't need to decorate it with bows and stuff. But we've got to get one little jelly for our grand opening.
Okay. Everybody listen up. On 3, the Lake Hoo-Ha Clubhouse is officially open.
1, 2, 3! Hooray! Let's go! Way to go! Hey, Bootsie! Hey, Ootsie! What are you two doing here?
Well, we happened to be passing by, and we were wondering if... Let us be in your club! It looks like you're having fun, and we're not having any! We're so bored! Well, I guess Bootsie pretty much covered it. We're joining your club. Step aside!
Hold it!
Yes?
Everybody in! This is a private clubhouse.
Yeah, no one's allowed in except members, right? Right!
Can we be members?
Yes!
If you say please.
Please!
Don't keep out, don't stay away. Come on in and join the play. This is just where you belong. Come on in and sing our song. If you shut the door, you shut out the fun. It's much more fun with everyone. Yeah! See you tomorrow. Goodbye. That was fun.
Now that is a really fine clubhouse.